Hi, I'm Dr. David Pearlstone, CEO of DICOM Director. I'm here today with Ron Burgess, our lead developer, and Ron's going to walk us through some of our functionality in our gateway. So Ron, I see you've got the program open, and we've got a bunch of series here that we've already loaded up, and we've gotten these off of either a CD or our own PAC server, and they're loaded into our program now. So how would we go about transferring this now to another hospital, say, if I wanted to get a consultation at another place? How would I send them these images?
All right, so first things first, we're going to make sure that we select the series we want to transfer. Then we're going to go up here to the actual transfer button. We're going to get a window here. We're going to choose the location that we'd like to transfer to.
I see.
And then we can choose whether or not we want to anonymize this particular series.
Okay, and then we just hit the button and off it goes. And now, how does the receiver get this? They'll receive an email saying that something has come in for them, or it will just show up onto their PAC server?
So they'll get an email. They'll also have it show up on their PAC server.
I see. So now let's take the example if I have a particular individual colleague, another physician that I want to share the study with so that they can go over it with me in real time. How would I share it specifically with an individual?
All right, so if you want to share a specific series with an individual, make sure that you select the series you'd like to share.
Mm-hmm.
Then go over here to the share option.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to fill out the information for the name of the doctor, their email address, and a mobile number so that they get a secure PIN that they use when they want to access the series.
I see. So they'll receive an email saying that the series has been loaded, and then they'll receive a PIN number on a telephone to bring that security to it.
Yes.
Okay, great. Let's take a look at our 3D model construction now, Ron. So in order to construct a 3D model from a series, we have to first upload that series into our PAC server in the cloud, correct?
Yes.
Terrific. Let's go ahead and walk through that.
Okay, so first things first, we're going to make sure that we select the series we'd like to generate a model from. We're going to transfer that to the cloud. So we're going to go up here to transfer. We're going to select our DD-PACS portal location, which is in the Azure cloud. We're going to choose to anonymize these images, and we're going to hit the transfer button down at the bottom.
Okay, great. So that's going to send it up to the cloud, and it's from there that we can make the model.
Yes.
Okay, so now we have our study uploaded onto the PAC server in the cloud, and from there we can order the model, correct?
Yes.
Go ahead and walk us through that.
All right, so now that our PAC server has our model, we should be able to find it when we go over here and actually search through our available PAC system. We're then going to double click on whichever one we'd like to load.
Okay.
And that'll allow us to start seeing our new series on the PAC server.
And now we've gotten our model downloaded off our server, showing that we did have it up on our PAC server, and now we can go ahead and order the model, right?
Yeah. So make sure that we once again have the series that we want to create a model from selected. We're going to go to the top and select the Order 3D Model button. We're going to go over here and choose whatever body part that we are creating a model from. In our case, it's a foot. We don't want to see the skin, but we do want to see bone and foreign objects, so we're going to turn everything off except for those.
And so we're doing this because this particular patient has nails and screws in the foot, correct?
Yes.
So we'll be able to see the foreign objects distinct from the bone.
Yes.
Great.
So then once we do that, we're then going to hit the Order button down on the bottom. And that's it.
And now we'll get a notification when the model is ready?
Yes.
And
the notification will come by way of email.
Okay, terrific. And once that email has come, we just go back to the PAC server and open it up and the model will be there?
Yes.
Go ahead and show me that.
All right.
Great, Ron. So I see that we've got our model downloaded now off the PAC server and onto our computer screen. See, we've made it a nice pretty blue, and we've made the nails, the orthopedic nails that are within this foot, yellow. As you can see, Ron is able to rotate the image around, see it from any direction. But in particular, Ron, let's take a look, follow that nail inside the bone.
All right. So I'm just going to use my mouse wheel to scroll inside, and now I can actually start seeing the nails inside of the foot.
So what you can see here is that what we have is not just a surface rendering of the the bones of the foot, but this is actual completely anatomically correct internally. You can follow the tracks of these nails through the bones, and this would be the same for any other organ. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the actual holograms that we can generate. Ron is wearing an augmented reality headset. This is a HoloLens made by Microsoft, and we've got the display of the HoloLens up on the screen here. So what you're seeing on the screen is what Ron is actually seeing as a floating hologram in front of him. So Ron, go ahead and show us what you can do with this.
All right. So first I'm just going to rotate this just a little bit.
Okay, great. And so we can again see that nail in the foot. Now can you show us the path of that nail?
Sure thing.
So by just moving forward and actually moving into the hologram, you can actually see the internal detail, and again, we can follow the path of any one of those nails within the organ itself. Well, Ron, thanks very much. Great job. Walked us through all of the functionality here. Thanks for viewing our video. Please go to the website, dicomdirector.com, download the gateway, and make some models. Play with it. And we're looking for more beta users. If you have any questions or interest, please reach out to us, dicomdirector.com. Thanks.